So to sign up with Auction Central, you'll want to go to auctioncentral.com and click Join. First, you'll need to fill out your name, job title, phone number, and email. Then you can proceed to fill out your dealership name and address. After that, select if you'll be buying or buying and selling. Then you can select your form of payment, whether that be ACH, floor plan, or check. And then you can select how you'd like to be paid. We'll need 3 documents to be securely uploaded for verification. First, upload your dealer's license, then your tax certificate, and finally a voided check. Next, you'll have a chance to read through our dealer agreement and consent to our terms and conditions. Then you can go ahead and click Submit. You'll be prompted to digitally sign at the bottom of the dealer agreement. You can go ahead and sign. Hit Agree and Sign, and then print or save a copy for your records. Now a member of our team will review your credentials and approve your account. If you need any additional assistance, feel free to call us at 518-501-1000.